What we're doing is we're allowing people to connect devices to the internet, to the cloud, using Bluetooth rather than, say, Wi-Fi or cellular. And that means you can make devices that are much lower power, smaller, and much lower costs.
Well, obviously, Bluetooth doesn't have the range of something like Wi-Fi or cellular. How does that actually work? Are you going directly from Bluetooth to the cloud or through something else?
Yeah, no, that's a super astute observation that you can't directly connect a Bluetooth device up to the cloud. So you often have to go through some sort of gateway. That might be a phone or maybe a laptop or some other kind of device. And one of the problems we solved is this idea that you can connect a Bluetooth device through one of these devices without having to pair. And so that means this device can roam across many different gateways and essentially providing coverage across a wide area, even though the range of Bluetooth is limited. So this demo is really showing off this new LO2S BCN smart beacon that we co-developed with Moco Smart. The idea behind smart beacons is that now that you have connectivity, traditional Bluetooth beacons become much more powerful. And I'll show kind of three demos here, or we're showing three demos here, showing kind of what you might want to do with these smart beacons. I guess I'll start over on the right here. The first thing is that because we have network connectivity, we have time synchronization as well as location synchronization. So the beacon knows what time it is and knows what location where it is, and that means that it's much easier to synchronize the data later on when it's in the cloud. And so this device here can log sensor data over time, and then when it's in range with the hotspot, it can send that data up in batch. This device in the middle here is showing that because it's running off of this very powerful new nRF54L chip, it can do on-device AI ML inferencing. And so depending on the gestures I do on the device, it will log and store that data. So I think if I move it up and down, it will recognize that gesture and store that. And this last device shows that with smart beacons, with Blecon software, not only can you transmit the data to the cloud, the device can actually sense how close it is to other beacons. So if I bring these devices closer, you'll see the LED getting brighter, and as I move it away, it turns off. So here we have a collection of various development boards with modules using the latest Nordic nRF54 series, and that's a chip that we're very excited about because that chip not only has Bluetooth, it's also very low cost and also very, very powerful. And with all these modules, we're really showing that Blecon works out of the box with any of these modules.